Hello guys, welcome to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. Let's do reading for sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising Libra. If Libra is in your chart, astrological chart, just uh, just take whatever resonates with you. So let's do a general collective reading for your person and third party situation. Third party can be their new person, family, friend. Take it as it resonates in your situation. We will see how your person and third party getting along, and what your person thinks about you now, and the messages from your partner. Tarot advice for you. So this reading is for people who are not in contact with their person. So please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for all your love and support. Note, it's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and messages are not for you. So I have already shuffled the cards. So let's get into the reading. So let's see how situation looks from outside, like how people see them from outside. I've already shuffled the cards, so I have these three cards regarding that. Chariot, Seven of Pentacles, and Page of Wands. So people around them look at them as if they are moving forward in their life, and they are waiting for some kind of material abundance, and they think that they both are very passionate people. That is how this relationship looks from outside. I'm sorry if I'm hurting you with these words, but I will speak whatever is coming, whatever cards are telling me to tell you. So the situation from outside, it looks like that they are moving forward in their life with passion, lot of passion. They are very magical with each other, and they are waiting for some kind of material abundance. They are waiting for that money to come. So this is what outside people can see. So next section is, what is unseen truth of their relationship. So what is the things which nobody knows about both of them. So here we have Three of Swords, Nine of Swords, and Knight of Wands. Okay, so they both are hurting. Your person is hurting, or the other person is hurting themselves. They are very stressed out in this relationship, because I think Knight of Wands is a person. Yeah, I think your third party is having a third party. I can see this. Can you see this bird? So this third party is having their eyes on some other third party. Because of that, your person is very hurt, and he is very stressful in night. He's not able to sleep, and they are having very hard times with each other. That is what I can feel. Okay, what else? So they are showing everybody that they are moving forward with each other, but this is the fact going on inside. So, what do they think about you in alone time? So, whenever they are alone, what do they think about you? So, these are the three cards I have got: Nine of Cups, Knight of Cup, and Four of Athemus. That is like Four of Swords. So, this person is quite selfish, to be very frank. I think whenever he thinks of you, he either drinks a lot, and he thinks that he's quite a selfish person, I guess. He thinks that he's waiting for you to contact them. He's thinking that whenever it is like evening times, he thinks that you will contact them and you will offer them their cup. That is what he is thinking about. Right? See, Knight of Cup. So this person thinks about you when he's alone, and he even thinks that if that you will come back to them. That is what he is thinking. Yeah, I got it. So, what truth your person didn't know about the third party? So, he went running to a third party. Now he is having lot of heartbreak. I think this is your person who is having lot of heartbreak and stressful nights, because this other person is going to their third party. Okay. Now he wants you to come back to them and he is waiting for that. He prays. I think he waits for that. Okay. What truth your person didn't know about the third party? Your person didn't know. Knight of Wands again. See, Knight of Wands. Your person didn't know. The person they were choosing over you was a player. He played with his heart. They had lot of passion, but then that passion was gone. You have Six of Wands, Knight of Wands. See, passion, passion. Wands are passion, Like honeymoon period is over, I guess. Eight of Athamas. Now he is very stressful. I think I got one more. Yeah, Nine of Swords. Nine of Athamas is Eight of Athamas is Eight of Swords. So he doesn't know. He didn't know about it. Now he is stressed out. He's very much stressed out. Like swords are very mentally conflicted thing. He feels that he is in a dark place because of third party, and they think that this third party has played them very badly just to, and they are narcissists. They show people that they are very victorious and they are very cool with each other, but this third party has played your person. So karma is playing out here, guys. So now your person knows that your this other person was not worth anything other than passion. They are just leaving him. This confirms that because there are two Knight of Wands. Okay, what action should you take about your person as you know the truth of third party? So what action should you take? This is High Priestess, Six of Cups, and the Moon. Action: if you are having kids with this person, the universe is telling me that you should keep quiet about it and just wait and watch about it. You should wait and watch because your person is very miserable and you don't give them a chance to opinate you. See, what they are advising, what universe is advising, that you should keep quiet, be wise. Your partner may have a word B or J in their name or initials, R or E or A. Yeah. So if you have children with this person and they left you for this third party, then you should look after your children and be happy with them and just wait and watch. There is still some illusions. Let him get out of these illusions. And if you are going through this darkness, dark period, see, this is a moon card. So, moon card is an illusion, like the things which are not in our control. So, you have to wait for it. You till the time you are waiting, watch them wisely. If they come and try to speak to you, just keep quiet. Don't say anything, and universe will play out their cards. And you just take care of your kids because he will definitely come back to you if you are having kids. And if you don't have kids, then you should be very playful. Be playful and try to be playful in your environment. You have lot of abundance around you. Don't worry about it. That is what universe is telling me. So this is how it is. Next is okay. Presently, what he thinks about you? Oh my God! Again, how many? Okay, he is very much stressed out. See, these are the shadow cards actually. So Eight of Swords again. See, Nine of Swords, Eight of Swords, and here Eight of Swords again. So your person is freaking out. He is totally stressed out. Don't worry about him. That he just shows off this. If he's showing you some media pictures and he's trying to tell you that he's very happy with the other person, don't believe any of that because he is stressed out a lot and he don't know what to do because he knows you are his happiness. See, Four of Wands, twin flame card. This is a twin flame card. Two of Swords, Two of Swords. So you have blocked him, and he keeps on thinking about that you have started ignoring him. He knows that he's stressed out because he has left you for this third party. This relationship is also not working out. Still, he is waiting on you to contact them, and he knows that this third party has played him very badly, and he is stressed out now because he left a happy relationship, and now he cannot come back because you have blocked him or ignoring him. Okay. Oh my god. So, if this resonated till now, please make energetic donation to me by liking, subscribing and sharing my channel. It gives me motivation to keep doing more videos. Thank you. So, let's carry on our other messages. So, let's see what are the messages from your person for you. What are the messages as you are not in contact? What he wants to tell to you, what he wants to say to you. So, universe, please give me. See, oh my god. See. Okay, whatever this reading is saying, I am a better person because of you. But I don't feel that. Huh? That is my personal opinion. He says no one compares close to you. So you were very loving person, and he thought that he got a better option. He thought the grass was greener on other side. No, no one compares close to you because you were very loving person. Be open to new ideas. That is what he is thinking, that you should come back to him. How selfish is that? Love is a pure energy that can fill us on every level. So what he thinks, that whatever betrayal he has done, you should forgive him for that and you should take them back. I have deep hidden emotions, but I feel weak to show such things. I think this person is still into air that they things are going to work out between him and that third party. But he is very much stressed out because you have also gone away from him. At the back of the deck, he is saying, give me a chance. I know I messed up. It's my fault. So he admits in his failings that he has done wrong with you, and he admits that because there is no one who compares close to, even close to you. So don't bother about him. Just I think here already tarot card has given you advice about this. What action should you take? You just keep quiet, watch the show, girls or guys, or all my subscribers, whoever is watching this video. Your action should be, you should just wait and watch till the illusion gets sorted out itself. And these are the three advice cards for you from the universe. So what are these? Possibilities, intensity and turning in. So for momentary guidance for you people is, there is a possibility that he will come back, but you should not wait. He will come. When he will come, it will be like, I want you, don't go, or I did a mistake, it was all my fault. He will say all these things to you. Just wait and watch. Just don't wait for him. Turn in, turning in, turn inside your heart. Don't bother what people are saying to you. Don't. Can you see these dark images and the brightness and the glow on her face? Yeah. So you have to turn inside your own soul for this inner power. He will one day come back. There is a possibility that he will come back, but he will be very intensely coming back. But don't wait for him. Just turn inside, keep your calm, be quiet, be wise. See, this is High Priestess is a wise woman. So wait for your, be wise for this. Take care of your kids, take care of your abundance. And the last card is adventure. Just wait and just go turn inside and see how colorful adventures are waiting for you. Don't worry, everything will be okay. So this was the reading for sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising. If reading has resonated, please comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more videos. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.